All right, awesome. So we are live here with Richard Peppers. Thank you, Rich, for taking the time for this interview, just to kind of share his experience with working with Good Vibe Squad. I'll just let you go ahead, Rich. Just introduce yourself. Who you are, where you're from, and what do you do?
Yeah, my name is Richie Peppers. I work for Revolution Mortgage based out of Westerville, Ohio, and been using the Preston and Billy services for probably about 2.5 months.
hmm Awesome. So Rich, yeah. So we've been working together for about like two something months here. So far, what has been your experience, and what kind of results have you been seeing right now?
It's actually been a really good experience. It started off a little rough, but that was because, didn't really wasn't used to the system. It wasn't that the leads were bad. It was just getting used to the whole feel. So make sure if you guys sign up, make sure you do their weekly calls, you know what I mean? Because it teaches you a lot for sure.
hmm
Preston's great with giving you information and helping you, figure out how to work the system better and work the leads better. They
hmm
have the knowledge and the experience. So make sure you sign up and make sure you do those, especially if you're having like questions and concerns. But it's turned out, very well. I've gotten a lot of leads, strengthened a lot of realtor relationships
hmm
throughout the process, and very, very, very much so worth the money spent. It's a great return on investment for sure.
Awesome, Rich. Yeah, because and one of the things you mentioned how important it is to show up on the weekly coaching calls. One thing that we've really seen is it's not just about the leads, not just about the system, right? It's how you actually utilize the system, with like the best
Hmm.
workflows. Like our goal is to have have your success, right? And so
No,
we
absolutely.
want to make sure that you guys show up on the weekly coaching calls. You talked about your experience, obviously. Can you talk a little bit more about like specific results? Like how many apps, how many loans in contract do you already have so far?
Yeah, so I have about four right now that are currently in the process where they, have signed contracts.
hmm
And we're in, underwriting those right now. And then I have about 5 to 6 pre-approvals out where they're searching for homes
hmm
for sure. So it's, and like I said, this is in a couple of months, two and a half
Sweet.
months. So,
Yeah.
I could potentially close up to, 10 deals within, 60 days, which
Nice.
again,
Yeah.
great
That's
return on
excellent.
investment, and also strengthen your relationships with your realtors, because how many realtors actually have loan officers that is actually giving realtors money versus realtors giving us money? You know what I mean? Aside from, co-marketing and different things. So it's great for
Yeah.
sure.
So you talked about strengthening like realtor relationships, Rich. Can you kind of expand a little bit more on that? What has been your experience? And it sounds like you're working on like a pretty big brokerage right now. What does that look like?
Yeah. So, I work with a realtor right now, and her brokerage has about 56 realtors
Boom.
there. And
hmm
so we're working to strengthen up once I get the system down better and the process down better, and
hmm
come up with my own ways to make it, more fluid per se, based upon
hmm
how we do business at our company. We're going to be working with them to, help supply them those additional 56 realtors
hmm
with some of these leads,
Right.
because they're all buyer leads, you know what I mean? So therefore they're looking for financing first.
hmm
So imagine handing a realtor, pretty much a slam dunk deal. All they got to do is just go find the home. So yeah, it's opened that door, to be able to go to a realtor and say, hey, I can add value to your business,
Right.
aside from closing you on time and, you know, marketing split 50-50. I can actually put money in your pocket, which at the end of the day, that's what we're all here to do, is make money to pay bills, right?
Right. Yeah, absolutely. So it's like it's a huge leverage because now, like you said, it's a slam dunk deal. Like literally you're hand delivering them like money, right? Instead of
Mm-hmm.
like doing, coffee dates and like diabetes like marketing. So that's huge, man. I'm excited for you, Rich. So yeah, just to kind of close this out, for someone that might be watching this video, Rich, they might be on the fence. They might be thinking of trying, if they should work with
I'm
us.
tell you right now, get
Um,
off the fence. If you're spending money on like Zillow or Realtor or anything like that, it's an absolute positive waste. These leads are sent to you. Only you. You're the only one getting them. You're the only one calling them. So they're exclusive leads just for you. You're the only one that they're hearing from. So like I said, if you're on the fence, get off of it, jump off of it, actually. You know what I mean? And dive into this, what these guys have to offer for sure. Definitely. If you're not, you don't want to make money.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Thanks a lot, Rich. Thank you for your time. I'm excited for you. And let's lock that huge brokerage down, man.
I appreciate it, Billy. Have a good one, man.
All right. Take care.